Hi there. Only to let you know that today I don't have any video because yesterday evening I came back from London, from a few days in London. These are the things that I bought there. I'm so happy. I have three new paper punches, some new glitter paper, and so I bought a super big quilling set. Wow. And this super cute paper for my paper creations from Violet Studio, design paper pad from Hobbycraft, and some beads, and this super cute pen set for my doodles. Okay, see you next time and next week with a new video where I will show you how to create something with this beautiful paper. Okay, bye bye, have a nice weekend.